Greetings from Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this beautiful 2022 Chevrolet Equinox RS model. Loaded up, navigation, 360 camera, really in outstanding shape. It's got about 27,000 miles in it, really beautiful condition. Let's go ahead and give it a quick walk around, then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. Really nice. Beautiful shape. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the front fender on the driver's side. Front fender on the driver's side, beautiful shape, clean throughout, very nice condition, no dings or dents, super clean. Does have a little imperfection here on the paint. Besides that, looks beautiful. Take a look at the front bumper. Front bumper's in beautiful shape. Parking sensors, very nice. Headlamps are in beautiful shape, very nice. Grill's in great condition. Does have a couple little marks here and there on the finish, nothing major. Besides, that's in beautiful condition. Take a look at the front camera here, very nice. Hood's in beautiful shape, clean throughout, very nice condition, super clean, really amazing shape. Take a look at the front fender on the passenger side, beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Taking a look at the passenger door in the front, beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape, beautiful condition. One of the cameras here on the mirror. There you go. And it has the lane alert here built into the mirror. Very nice. Rear door on the passenger side. It's got a little touch up here. There was scratch and it was touched up right here. You can't see it that well, but it's there. It's also got a small dent right here. Quarter panel on the passenger side, beautiful condition. Take a look at the rear bumper. Rear bumper's in beautiful shape. Parking sensors, backup camera, 360 view. Glass is in beautiful shape. Take a look at those lights back here. Beautiful condition throughout, very nice. Really beautiful shape. Got the backup camera here, check it out. Take a look at the quarter panel. Quarter panel's in great shape, looks good. Very nice condition. Rear door on the driver's side, beautiful shape, clean throughout. Very nice condition. Driver door's in beautiful shape. Really great condition. Take a look in the mirror. Lane alert on the bottom here, it's got that other camera. Windshield's in beautiful shape. Let's take a look at the windshield. Really nice. Roof is in beautiful shape. Really outstanding condition. It does have a dent here and a dent there. Besides that, the roof is in really nice shape. Okay, that pretty much concludes our walk around. Really in beautiful condition. Coming up soon, we're going to take a look at the interior and then we're going to take it for a test drive. Stay tuned. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Take a look at that, very nice shape. Take a look at the controls. Very nice. Rear power hatch. Driver seat's in beautiful shape. Take a quick look here, very nice condition. Full power with lumbar. It's got rubber mats all the way around. Dashboard, steering wheel, everything looks amazing. Beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger side. Front door panel, beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. This one has a Bose system, super nice. Look at the controls for the power window and power locks. Very nice shape. Take a look at the passenger seats in beautiful shape, super clean throughout, very nice condition. Beautiful shape throughout. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear driver's side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful shape. Very nice condition. Take a look at the rear seats, beautiful shape throughout, very nice, super clean, look at that. It's got perforated in the center, red stitching, really nice rubber mats on the bottom, looks very nice, super clean, keeps it looking new. USB plugs, AC vents. Take a look at the roof. Liner's in beautiful shape, very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear door panel on the passenger side. Beautiful condition throughout, very nice. Take a look at the rear seat, beautiful condition throughout, very nice shape. Really amazing condition, look at that. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and start up the vehicle here. It's a 2022 Chevrolet Equinox RS model. Take a look at the key fob for it, really nice condition. Lock unlock, remote start, power hatch, beautiful shape. All right, let's go ahead and set it down here in the cup holder. And then we've got a push button start here. So we're gonna go ahead and press the brake, push button start. There we go, starts up perfect. Check out the gauges, goes all the way up and down. Very nice. All right, let's take a closer look here at the mileage. This one has 27,083 miles. This one has a stop and start for the engine. So that's why it says that there. Auto stop. It's got a fuel gauge, temperature gauge, miles per hour. It shows that we have the automatic lights on right now. It's got a little information center right there, so we can go through that. Trip computer, miles till empty, oil life, tire pressure sensors. Very nice. Okay, so we'll go ahead and leave it on speed for now. It's got a little button here if you want to turn off the stop and start. So you just press it like that and you deactivate it. Otherwise, the vehicle, when it warms up and everything, if you're driving, stop at a light or whatever, it'll cut off. AC and everything will still run. Then as soon as you take your foot off the pedal, it'll start up again. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at some of the other features on this one. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, automatic lights. It's got fog lights on the bottom also. Power locks. It's got cruise control here. It's got the distance. So this one has a lot of the collision alert and all that stuff. It's got the lane alert here also. There you go. Turn it on and off. In the corner there, it turns on. See that? So right now we left it on. This is the distance. So when you're driving, it'll let you know when it's further away or closer. So that's really nice. Heated steering wheel on this one for you guys up north. This is for the information center here. Power wipers in the front and rear. Turning signals, we'll check those out. And the high lamps, perfect. Okay, so automatic transmission, power brake release, very nice. And I believe you put it here in L, you can go ahead and shift it manually from here. It's got parking sensors all the way around. We're looking at the USBs, auxiliary, and a power plug. Right there, look at that, very nice. This one also has a really nice light here in the armrest, and it has two more USBs here. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the dashboard and everything. Dashboard's in beautiful condition. Let's take a close look. Very nice shape, really amazing condition. Steering wheel's in beautiful shape, look at that. Leather wrapped, looks super nice. Look at the stitching on it, looks so nice. Okay, and this one has climate control AC, so it has two zones, one for the driver, one for the passenger. You can set this temperature here, it'll show you on top, 61. And this one you can, let's say, set it at 62, let's say, 63, there you go. Really nice, and it also has the temperature here. So we have heated seats on these. Heated seat, look at that. You can sync the AC all the way around, or you can leave it independent. All the controls for the fan, hazard, for the stop and start of the engine there. Let's go back to home here on the screen. So audio, we have AM, FM, XM radio, and Bluetooth audio. Your phone, that's how if you link your phone there, you can go ahead and do stuff through there. Navigation, really nice. Wi-Fi hotspot, fantastic. Users, you can set up users, that way everybody has their own radio stations and all that saved. Settings, system settings, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, rear seat reminder if you guys have a small child, collision detection. So we have forward collision detection, we have front pedestrian detection, adaptive cruise, lane alert, and cross traffic. Very nice. A lot of safety features there. Okay, then we have a couple more apps. You could download more apps if you like. Really nice. Okay, up above here we have a little sunglass holder there. You have the information for the airbag in the front, if it's on or off. OnStar, a couple courtesy lights, very nice. Visors with lights and mirror, look at that. Very nice. That's pretty much it. Let's take a look at the liner real quick. Liner's in beautiful condition, looks brand new. Very nice shape, super clean. Amazing condition. Okay, next thing, we're gonna go ahead and take it for a little test drive. Stay tuned. We'll go ahead and take it for a drive. Be right back. Okay, we're all set to take for a little test drive here. Here we go. Super quick, feels really nice. Super smooth. Great drive. Brakes feel good. Very nice. Super smooth, really quick. Amazing drive. The only thing we got to do is we're going to go ahead and check out the 3D camera, the 360 view with the parking sensors and stuff. And then that'll conclude our test drive. Okay, so we'll go ahead and test that out now. I'm going to go ahead and put it in reverse. Really nice. So you can see the view from the top of the vehicle, and then this is the rear. So we're just going to go ahead and back up. Super nice. There you go. Look at that. You can see it starts giving us a little warning here. If you look here on the cluster, it shows us that we're getting close to something here. I guess it's those bushes in the back. So let's say if we back up a little bit more, it's letting us know that we're gonna touch something back there. See there? Really nice. So you can see the upward view right here. Look at that. Now another great feature, when you go ahead and press drive and you're gonna drive off, that's actually the front camera. So when you're driving out of a parking space, you'll actually be able to use your front camera to go out, which is super cool. So after a little while, the front camera will turn off. So that means when you're getting in and out of a parking lot or whatever, see that? Really cool. It's a really nice feature. Okay, that's pretty much our test drive. So stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the tires and take a look at the engine compartment and the cargo area. Okay, we're going to go ahead and test out the rear door. It's got a power hatch here. You can open up it with the key, or you can just press the button there. Really nice. Take a look. It's got this rubber mat. beautiful. Protects the carpet. Look at the carpet on the bottom, looks brand new. So let's go ahead and flip this over here. It's got a little bit of storage down here. Down beneath that, you've got your tools and your spare tire. Really nice. Look at that. Amazing. If you pull these forward here, those seats fold down in the center. These seats will fold down. If you pull this down here for more storage. Up above here, take a look at the power hatch. Let's close it up. Really nice. Fantastic. All right, we're taking a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful condition. Take a look. Very nice shape, clean throughout, beautiful condition. Very nice. Really amazing shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire. On the driver's side, tire looks amazing. Good amount of tread on there. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. Rear tire has a good amount of tread on there. Very nice. Rim is clean and in good shape. Look at that. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the passenger side. Very nice condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Look at that. Very nice shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire on the passenger side. The tire is in good shape. Very nice condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Okay, that's going to conclude our video for this 2022 Chevy Equinox RS package. Vehicle's in beautiful shape. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. GreatUsedAutoSales.com. Thanks for watching.